Very good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss the one most important topic. Today I am going to discuss the one of the important topic, that is what method overriding in Java. So what is method overriding? And we see this definition of method overriding. So when it comes to method overriding in Java, so what is method overriding? So in this case, we have this one. So declaring a method in subclass which is already present in the parent class, or if a subclass has the same method as declared in the parent class, that is called as method overriding. So in this case, if in this method overriding, what is happening? The method in the subclass is said to override the method in the superclass. Okay. In case of method overriding, so we have method name. That method name is same in both the parent class as well as child class. In such case, what will happen? The subclass method will override the superclass method. That is there. That what happening in case of what your method overriding, right? So here, what is the advantage of method overriding? So if you want to implement, or if you want to have implementation in a subclass, so we cannot modify anything in the parent class code. Okay, that is the one advantage of having this what your method overriding. So one of the advantages is that a class can give its own implementation to an inherited method without even modifying the parent class code. That indicates, so we can have, if you want to have the own if you want to have this implementation, okay, in a subclass, in such case, so here your parent class cannot modify any code. So what are the uses of method overriding? We have two usages. One is runtime polymorphism, and second one is it is used to provide the specific implementation of a method which is already provided by its superclass. These are the two important things about your which one method overriding. So in this method overriding, we'll go to the small program. So this program will help you what is method overriding in Java. So already the program has been displayed here, been typed. Then I'll show you this one, dat25.java. See here, in this case, we have animal is a class, is a super class or parent class. We have which method? Eat is a method. So again we have which class? Dog is a subclass. We have which method? Again we have eat method. Nothing but eat is a method that is available both in subclass as well as what in the superclass. So in such case, what will happen now? This subclass method will override the superclass method. Nothing but dog class having which method? Eat method. This method will override the method in the superclass. Nothing that indicates that we can execute the statement only this dog is eating. We cannot get what we cannot get the statement is what eating. So that I'll show you this code. I'll execute this code. CMD. I'll show this code here. CD backslash CD dad, right? JAVAC Java C dad 25 dot Java, right? Again I mean Java to run the code Java dad 25. So we got only this word dog is eating. Dog is eating. Nothing but this is nothing but this is the statement that is available in the subclass. This is called what? Method overriding. A simple example. Then the next topic in this one is what? Dynamic method dispatch. What is dynamic method dispatch here? So nothing but the process in which a call to overridden method is resolved at runtime is known as dynamic method dispatch. In this dynamic method dispatch, what is happening here? See here, a superclass reference variable can refer to a subclass object. It is known as what you are upcasting. What you are upcasting. For this, I have this small code where we can see this code here. So this is a simple code to demonstrate your dynamic method dispatch in Java. So we have what? Animal is a superclass. Eat is a method. Again, I have which one? Two subclasses. Its name is dog. They have which method? Eat method. Dog is eating is a statement. And we have cat is a what? Your again having what? Your subclass. Again having the same statement what? Eat. Cat is eating. In this case, better to create object for three classes, for superclass, for two subclasses, that is dog and cat. And here we have to create a reference of type A for which class? For your parent class. So I have got animal. So I am creating what your reference class REF. For which one? Your parent class. So for this reference class, assign the object. Then we can activate this one. With the help of which one, we can activate the method. Similarly, we can go for your assign the object of D to reference of type animal REF. Then we can invoke this method. So this is what I had done here. I say the code. I'm going to run this code. Java C to compile the code dat26.java. So the code got compiled. Now I can get all the statements. Java dat26. See here, eating is a statement available in animal class. Dog is eating is a statement available in which class? Subclass dog. So cat is eating is a statement available in which class? Subclass cat. So here in all these methods, which are common, eat method is common. Eat method. So if all the methods are same, common in all the superclass as well as the subclasses, then we can go for dynamic method dispatch. So a superclass reference, that was this the statement here been specified here. Superclass reference variable can refer to a subclass object. That was I did here in this case here, right? So this reference of type what? Animal. For this reference, assign the object of animal, and then activate the which method. Activate the eat method with the help of reference variable REF. Similarly for your dog class, as well as what your cat class. This is the way how to do this one. This is called as what your dynamic method dispatch and a small program. And I'm going to have the one more topic is nothing but what your abstraction. What is the meaning of abstraction? So what is the meaning of abstraction in Java? Look, the next topic is what your abstraction in Java. What is abstraction? in Java. So here we'll go to the abstraction, abstraction, abstraction in Java. So what do you mean of abstraction? Okay, we'll come to the next slide. What is abstraction? We'll discuss the next topic, and how many ways to obtain abstraction, and what is the abstract class, and why to use abstraction. Okay, and what it contains, we'll see in the tomorrow class. Thank you.